Okay, this is dealing with 7/8, more translations. It can be translated up or down or shifted and so forth. The B is factored out here. Be careful. It's written slightly different than the other one is. Sometimes you will see this B inside and sometimes you see it outside. It's easier to me if it's out. So things are basically the same as far as the graphs are concerned. Find the amplitude, the period, and the phase shift of this function. Graph it. Be sure to label the key points. Well, the amplitude is the A that's out front. It's 6. You need to factor it so that it will be in that same form. So we factor the 4 out, and that leaves us with x minus pi over 4. So what you've got is A is 6, B is 4, and the C is pi over 4. That's basically what you're dealing with. So the amplitude is 6. The period would be 2 pi over b, 2 pi over 4. So the period would just be pi over 2. Your phase shift is right here. It's the opposite of whatever's here. This is a negative. It's part of the formula. Change the sign and make it a positive. Pi over 4. Okay, now they want you to graph it. Well, first of all, it's the sine graph. That would be your sine choice. Your amplitude is 6, so you would move this to 6. The period, we found it to be pi over 2. We put that in. You get pi to come up by typing pi. Then we have a phase shift of pi over 4, positive pi over 4. So you choose your graph, your amplitude, your period, your phase shift. And then if you had a vertical shift here, and any reflections would come in here.